damn. Oh. Ouch. You hit me with a rock. Remember there's some tree stumps right in front of you too.
No, I can't go any further than that, but I don't think I made it up to that, did I? You made it to the first stump.
Yeah,
Your tires made it over the rocks.
You were on top of the rocks. The first set of rocks, not them little ones. You made it over the big ones. There you go. I think that's better for you. Get that back tire on that big rock. Look at the air out of them tires. That motherfucker sunk in.
Just climb straight up this one, Paul.
Go straight up that big flat one. God dang.
Like over there,
You're fucking. You're in there.
I
wouldn't go over any further the other way.
I go back straight back down.
There you go. That'll work right there. Perfect.
Straight back.
God dang. Dude, I thought I was gonna flip. I so fucking thought I was gonna turn over.
I'll go out and do it every week. Yeah, that's your back tire black mark right there.
Yeah, your back tire was on that big rock. If you'd have hopped over that big rock, you'd have had it. If you come over this way anymore, you probably flip over though off that big rock.
Stay straight.
Stay on that big rock. I think you can make it then. You're gonna be in the dirt when you go in that one. Go ahead. That shit's cool. Oh man, I thought I flipped over. I was like, I told Levi, I said, if you weren't in the passenger seat, I probably would have flipped over. Said your little fucking 150-pound ass saved us. I knew I was gonna get up it unless I hit it, you know.
That's what we do every week.
Well, you can definitely tell I ain't got no travel.
You gonna go down there?
Don't get stuck in that fucking mud. You're creating a sinkhole. Oh, my shit's about to die. I got charging program. Nah, your bobber just hit hard up front. And your back tire's up against this big rock. You need all fours turning hard to get that motherfucker. God dang. You unstraightened the bumper that was straight. Hey, don't go no further backwards. You're in the mud. Hey, cut it back towards me pretty good. There's a pretty gnarly stump over there. There you go. Straight.
Back up that rock, Paul.
Back up it. Hey, try to go up it backwards. You're gonna have to bump it if you're gonna go up it. There you go. Yeah. Fucking hey, dude.
Hold it.
Stay there. You get stuck, you go any further over it.
Hold it.
Look at that shit. Damn, you're dragging that pumpkin hard. Hell yeah.
Try to take your bumper off.
He tried to take his pumpkin off too. It was dragging the whole way down. There's Joey's overheating.
I think we should go that way next time. I was dragging a pumpkin on that.
Oh fuck, look here. Right here.
There's your
Come here.
pumpkin right there.
There's your pumpkin. Right there's your bumper.
Yeah, but we were going slow. I think we should go that way next
Well, look at the sandstone anyway, so
time.
it was yeah, you're dragging your pumpkin right there.
Back tire up on that, huh? Oh yeah. That's your back tire.
That's
burn
your
mark.
back part, yeah, your burnout on your back tire.
And then my